How to have a big Christmas on a small budget. As we dive in the holiday season, it's easy to get swept away by the excitement of Christmas and the pressure to spend lavishly. But guess what? You can have a memorable and joyful Christmas without breaking the bank. Explore creative ways to plan your Christmas for family and friends with a budget of less than $50. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's get started. It's essential to have a clear idea of how much you can afford anyway during the holidays. I know maybe you don't want to think about that, but you don't want to end up after the holidays thinking, oh my god, I have to work my butt off for the next couple of months to pay out credit card bills. But when you set a budget, you can allocate funds for different categories like decoration, gifts, and food. Then you don't have to feel guilty by spending money on things that didn't matter so much to you. To create that, start to determine your total Christmas budget. For our purpose, let's say it's $50, right? Now break it down in categories like gifts for $30, decorations, and food for $10 each. That's why you can take track for your spending and make sure you don't go overboard in one area. Remember, you can adjust these categories according to your preferences. If you want to spend more on food, for example, do that. The key is to remain flexible while stay in your overall budget. The best gifts are those which come from your heart. So instead of buying expensive gifts, make sure your presents show your true value, love, and care. A heartful handwritten card, a homemade treat, or a framed photo of a special moment can be so much more than a store-bought gift. Here are some extra ideas. Make something personal, for example, homemade candles, baked goods, or crafts. You'd be surprised how much people appreciate the effort and creativity. Create a gift of experiences instead of things. Also, plan a movie night or a hike. If you have a group of people, consider putting together a gift for someone special, or play Secret Santa. When selecting gifts, stick to your price limit. For example, if you plan to give 3 presents, then $10 each. That assures you stay in the budget we just mentioned before. Also, decoration. You can create a festive atmosphere without spending a fortune. Use natural elements, for example, like pine cones, branches. Color them gold or red or whatever Christmas color you want. Check out also local thrift stores or dollar stores. They have great decoration, but get creative here. Here are some simple DIY projects I wanted to share too. Homemade ornaments are easy to make. Use paper, glitter. Making beautiful ornaments together with your family gives your family the Christmas spirit up high already. Put some music on and you have it. Christmas feeling. Or use candles or ornaments for a cozy table setting. And also think about the Christmas decoration that you have from the years before. Put some fresh things to it to make it overall looking new to you, giving you the nice sense of something decorative around your house. Also, holiday cooking and baking. It is totally doable to have a great feast without spending a fortune. Focus on being simple. Having filling meals. Bake to cook it by yourself. A good meal that you made for your family is priceless anyway. Planning a meal that won't break your bank. Consider having a Christmas party where everyone brings something. You make the main dish and everyone else brings something like salads, cookies, and cake. Sharing various food together and coordinating with friends brings so much joy too. And Christmas is not just about gifts and food. Remember also it's about creating beautiful moments. And that often doesn't need a lot of money anyway. Like I said, planning activities that are memorable, that brings so much joy and lasts so much longer than a toy that's going to collect in dust. Get all together to make holiday crafts, for example. Remember, your family and friends are the best gifts in life that you can have. And the best thing is to create memories together. A simple evening spent together laughing and enjoying and having a great time is so much more meaningful. After all, the holiday season is about love, laugh, and connection. and focusing on experiences, you can focus on creating a memorable Christmas without the financial stress. Instead, enjoy the moments with your loved ones. This holiday season, enjoy being with people you love without the burden of financial worries. So I wish you a happy holiday season. Make Christmas be filled with warm laughter and unforgettable moments.